Hi, this is a quick video for how to set up the department code for the Toshiba for the copier for color restriction. Okay, the first part is what you need to do is just access the copier through a web interface. So I'm putting the IP address of the copier just to access its web interface. So you can access the web interface of the machine and you can see everything. First part is log into the machine using its credentials. Just use the admin and the default password is 123456. So just use that. Once you make all those changes for the department code, you can always change the administrator password to a secure one. Okay, so we log as an administrator. The second part is creating a user in the department management area, and go to the department management and new. So I'm going to call the first user 1, for example. Okay, so when a pin code, preferably some numeric numbers, 1 2 3 4, and save. Also you can set some quota restrictions. For example, that client is only, or this particular user is only allowed to make a certain number of copies, like 500 copies or something. You can always set a quota limit. Once they reach the quota limit, they will not be able to make those more copies with their codes, so someone has to reset that side. I'm not applying anything at this point of time, so just I'm leaving as a quota as off. And the next part is go to the administration area, and in the security area we're going to turn on the department code functionality on the copier. So go to the department code area here, so enable it. So you can also select various combinations, like you doesn't want department code need to be prompted for fax functionalities if the fax is there on the machine. So for example, the scanning you can leave open, there's no need of any password or something like that. You can have your own combinations, or if you want to apply for restrictions for everything, just leave it as it is. Okay, enable it for everything and say save. Once the department code is enabled, then take it to the copier. So this is a copier screen. I'm just using this AVNC connector to get a screen on my computer. So go to the counter area. This setting is only required if you want to give free black access to the copier. For example, if the user doesn't want to be prompted for any black access to the copier, so you can do a small setting in the machine. Access the panel of the machine, go to the counter and department management, and you need to log in as an administrator from the machine. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you have an option called black no limit. So if you enable that thing, there's no department code will be prompted when you're using black part of the copier, like a black, it'll be a black and white copier. So I have enabled that. So now if you go to the copy, the machine is open for the black and white copying purpose. And if you want to use the color, the moment you select the color, it will prompt you for the department code. You input your department code which you have programmed, for example 1 2 3 4 for that user 1, and okay, and the machine identifies you as a user 1 and you logged in with that credentials, so you are allowed to make copies with that credentials. And go to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.